Okay, Ray and Pat. Michael has finished his wall today, so I thought I'd take a little movie of it. So, here's the beginning in his layers. Then we go. It looks beautiful. He worked very hard, and he's lost a lot of weight. I have him a fat flush diet. He went from 228. He's down to 215 right now. Probably even less. That was on Friday. So, there you go. There's the wall. Wow. That looks really good. So, let's see. He's not sure he likes how it ended. He might want to extend it. But, I think it looks nice. And then now filling up with dirt. Looks like a lot of dirt's going to need to go in there. A lot. I don't know what we're going to do there. Let's see. There it is. Bring it in. See? He's become the real wall expert. Looks really nice. Of course, we painted our porch and the cinder block. So, and he's going to Kansas on Monday, so who knows? We might have to sell this place. There you go. All that work. Hopefully it'll get us some money.